Just a quick video of what you need when you're going on a cruise ship. Essential we found was an extension power board. Really helps with all our devices nowadays. That's a must. And some water bottles, because otherwise you have to buy water and it's not cheap on board. Currently on the Pacific Pearl. And yeah, those are the two main items we found useful. Also a lanyard to hang your cruise card off. That's another thing that's really important. We didn't actually bring one, but in hindsight would have made life a lot easier. Yeah, that's about it.